This is MikeBot. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, setup, and a little demo of these Motorola T210 talkabout walkie-talkies. So why have I decided to do a walkie-talkie review? Well, we're getting close to storm season, and as people may or may not have noticed, storms are getting more violent, they're knocking out more power, causing more issues, so it's always good to be prepared. And for those of you that are looking for a set of walkie-talkies for in case there is a storm that knocks out power or whatever, I figured maybe I'd do a review on these and see how it goes. So this is my first walkie-talkie set I've ever purchased. Bought these from my own money, no sponsorship, no free products. Everything I do is out of my pocket. So my reviews and everything I say and do is just me. It's not influenced by anybody. So anyway, so like I was saying, this is the T210 Motorola set. There was a vast array to choose from. I decided to go with these for several reasons. So this set here does 32 kilometer range, or for my American friends, it's a 20-mile range. They also have the iVox, which is basically a hands-free system Motorola uses. They call it iVox for some reason. I think it stands for voice over communication or something like that. So basically you just slip it in your pocket, and once it hears your voice, it activates the walkie-talkie and starts talking. So these ones as well also have the FRS radio, which is license free. They're USB charging, so they have built-in power. There's dual power. I don't know what that means yet. It comes with a 2-year warranty. There's 22 channels, including 121 privacy codes, and they pair fairly easy. So other than the obvious, it does come with the AA batteries. Oh, okay, so the dual power is basically AA batteries, or the rechargeable battery that's built in. So the AA is not included, but everyone has double A's laying around somewhere. They say these can be used for walkie-talkies, road trips, blah, blah, blah. In my case, emergencies, storms, that kind of thing. So another reason why I went with these, they look sleek, nice, the screen's good size. I think it also has monitoring, radio monitoring on it as well, which is another reason why I went with them. Again, until I get these charged up and use them, I can't give you guys the proper review on them. So for now, unboxing, and then I'm going to charge them up and use them, and then continue the video from there. So to everyone around, it'll look like one continuous video. Okay, so that's it pretty much to mention. So I can go ahead and begin with the unboxing. I'll add one more thing. So according to this, if you're in a mountains or valley, so basically no interference, you'll get the full 32 kilometers. You're in open water, you'll get about 5 miles or 8 kilometers. Or if you're in a neighborhood like me, you'll get about 1.5 kilometers or 1 mile. So that kind of sucks, but it is what it is. In case of an emergency, it's kind of great because I'll be able to listen to the radio, see what's going on, and make sure the world's not coming to an end and there's no zombie apocalypse. All right, I'm just gonna go grab a knife and unbox this. Okay, so I got my nice Henkel's knife here. So I'll just go ahead and slowly cut that tape open. I will end up doing a 4K shot at some point. I'm doing this a little differently now because I haven't done my videos in over a month, so I'm just slowly starting back up. And that's it in the box. You got your manual here. And a bunch of stickers. I guess you can customize buttons, I don't know. So a nice big thick manual. I'll read through it at some point. Start with the plug. So it looks like the one plug does the 2 micro USB. So it's micro USB, so everyone hopefully has these laying around somewhere. So if for some reason you misplace this, I'm sure you can pick up a pair of micro USB somewhere. It's too bad they don't use USB-C, but as far as the length goes, yeah, it's not the longest, but it's good enough. We got a couple batteries here. So these are the rechargeable batteries, and I can just right off the bat by touching them, it's basically 3 AA's daisy chained together. Batteries, and we'll take the walkie-talkies out, and that's it for this package. So So we got a couple clips in the back. So I'll just go ahead and pop these in. All right, so fairly lightweight, like really, really lightweight. I don't know if they're waterproof, but considering the design, I want to say they might be waterproof. So the USB port is right there to charge them. So it looks like, I probably shouldn't have put this clip on yet, because it looks like the back cover comes off. So to take off the clip, you just press the little lever and pull. Okay, so we'll start with this. Okay. So I see. So if you don't want to use the rechargeable batteries and you want to carry some AA's with you on the side, you can just pop them in there. It's actually a nice design. I like it. So basically follow the pictures. So I'm kind of curious what type of battery this is. Ooh, nickel metal hydride. You have to be really careful with these because the memory on them basically means that they have a memory on them. So they're not like lithium ion or lithium polymer where you can, they're not like lithium ion or lithium polymer where you can charge them anytime, any place, anywhere. These need to be fully charged before you use them. And you need to make sure you maintain it properly. Fully charged, don't let them fully discharge and so on. But again, you can just use regular AA's if you do end up ruining this. Or even better, just buy rechargeable AA's. Did I say AAA? Yeah, I did. Just buy rechargeable AA's, which is what I do. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge these, and I will resume the video from there. So just really quick, it looks like that's a pairing mode, that's the talk button, and then a bunch of functions I'm gonna have to read up on. All right, so once these are charged, we will proceed. And for those of you that actually care, I'll just show you how it plugs in. So there's one. There's two. Time to charge these.